Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You're now watching the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the easiest and most enjoyable way. No boring grammar drills or long lectures. Just listen carefully, stay focused, and watch this video several times. That's all it takes to start learning English and understanding the heart of American life. Today's video takes us back to a sound that shook the world and transformed an entire generation: rock and roll. From its rebellious roots to its powerful influence on culture, fashion, and politics, rock and roll didn't just change music, it changed America. Let's go back to the 1950s, when America was still very traditional and conservative. Music at the time was calm and slow. Think big bands and romantic ballads. But something new was brewing in the streets, in clubs, and on the radios. A fusion of blues, jazz, country, and gospel was creating a brand new rhythm. It was loud, fast, energetic, and it had attitude. That sound became known as rock and roll. One of the earliest stars was Chuck Berry, a black guitarist whose stage presence and storytelling lyrics helped shape the style. Then came Elvis Presley, the so-called king of rock and roll, whose dance moves and voice made him a teenage idol and a symbol of youthful rebellion. Teenagers loved it, but many parents were shocked. That's because rock and roll broke the rules. It also brought people together. In a time of racial segregation, rock and roll was one of the first cultural movements where black and white artists shared stages, influenced each other, and attracted mixed audiences. It played a quiet but powerful role in the civil rights movement, proving that music could be a force for change. In the 1960s and 70s, rock and roll evolved into something even bigger. Bands like the Beatles, the Rolling Stones, and Jimi Hendrix took it to new levels of creativity and expression. Rock music became a voice for peace, freedom, protest, and individuality. It wasn't just about the sound, it was about the message. Rock and roll influenced fashion, art, movies, politics, and identity. Long hair, leather jackets, loud concerts, and electric guitars became symbols of freedom and self-expression. And even today, rock and roll continues to inspire new artists and fans all over the world. Thank you so much for staying with us until the end of this video. If you enjoyed learning how rock and roll changed America, don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you won't miss the feedback video. It's your chance to review everything you've learned and keep improving your English while discovering more about American culture. Please give this video a like and share it with your friends to help us grow and keep creating better content just for you. See you in the next adventure.